kí Ọlọ́run ọba kó máa ṣàánú wa. Ọlọ́run ọba kó máa kó Ìyábọ̀ Òjó yọ. A ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ Ṣọlá pé tó fẹ́ parẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Queen Mother. Now, ṣe rí ọ̀gá ọ̀tà pọ̀ ju ẹni mi lọ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìbáyìí ó ti sọ sí ni lẹ́nu, ó ti buyọ̀ sí o tó tọ́ bá sọ pé kán fi lé tèmi ẹlẹ́yà tẹ́mu. Ẹ gbọ́ wíríwíri ọ̀rọ̀ o. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ti sọ sí ni lẹ́nu, ó ti bu èmi ò ràn yàn o. Èmi ò ràn ó dùn mí pé ó ṣe síbi tó yìí. Ṣé rí ẹ jẹ́ sọ kíní kan fún yín. Sista Temi àbí kí lorúkọ ẹ? Ó mà ṣe o, ó mà ṣe o. Tó bá sọ pé omi ló máa ṣẹja jiná, màá ní irọ́ ni. These people literally don't know how to live life. What do I mean by how to live life? How to be human. Gbogbo yín àbòsí ti báyé yín jẹ́ àbòsí. Àbòsí ti báyé jẹ́, ó ti bọ̀run jẹ́. Gbogbo yín. Ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń pè ní òkè o, kéèyàn behave, kéèyàn ṣe mọ̀. I don't know who you're trying to oppress, what you're trying to prove. You know that in nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe yìí. Look, you people we need to hammer sense into these people's, because I don't understand. These people are so immature. It's not about kéèyàn ní platform o. Kì í ṣe pé kéèyàn ní platform o. Immaturity ó ń bá most of you people jà. Wà mature kó tó di pé ẹ ní platform, nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan nìyẹn. Let me give you an instance. Ẹ jẹ́ n sọ nǹkan kan fún yín. Ẹ jẹ́ kó fi kankan ṣe example fún yín. Kémi àti Dorcas sọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn kan báyìí. Ọlọ́run kò ní jáde. Kémi àti Dorcas gan jà lọ́la. Ọ̀rọ̀ tá bá ti lè sọ yẹn àti sọ síbẹ̀ ni kò ní jáde sí anybody. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí ìwọ àti èèyàn bá jọ sọ lẹ́yìn, why do you have to bring it? Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹjọ́ ṣàbòsí ni? What are you trying to prove? Why do you have to bring it? Ẹjọ́ ṣàbòsí lẹ́yìn ni. Who are you proving to? Ọlọ́run. Okay, tá bá sọ pé bóyá you are setting Wunmi up for dragging ni o, bóyá you are setting Queen Mother up for dragging ni o, bọ̀ ṣó mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé sórí ẹni tó gbé epo lájà ò kì í ṣolè o, èèyàn tó gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ gangan ló lè. Mi ò ní sọ pé Wunmi ò ní 1 or 2 things láti ṣe nípa voice note tó ń líkì. Mi ò ní sọ pé she did something right. But ìwọ gangan tẹ́ ẹjọ́ jókòó tẹ́ ẹjọ́ ń sọ, ó máa ní nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ti jọ sọ débẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe máa ń rí ilé ayé nìyẹn. Èèyàn pé òun rojọ́ Queen Mother fún ẹ. Ìwọ ṣàṣírí kọ́dí òde release ẹ. Make it make sense. You are never to be trusted. Mi ò lè bá yín ṣe lájé tí ì máa fi kú. Most of you, ọjọ́ táwọn méjì ń jà ń sìn, orúkọ Wunmi náà ń dá ń bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ń gbogbo nǹkan tó wọ́n àti Wunmi jọ discuss. Ṣé rí nǹkan tẹ́mi tẹ̀ máa ń wò ni pé I don't think about so many things. You know this situation where we are right now. You know that Queen Mother is going through a lot. Ọmọ Wunmi too, she's going through a lot. This is not the time for you to try to show more whatever it is that you have in your mind. This is not the time. You know that they will be dragged, put separately ni o. O mọ̀ pé ẹnu ń kún Queen Mother, ẹnu ń kún Wunmi. Do you want to create enmity láàrin wọn ni? Because I don't understand. Àbò fẹ́ já Wunmi gbá kí Queen Mother fi Wunmi lẹ́bùn ẹ. Gbogbo yín lẹ́dẹ̀ wá bíi pé ẹ nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọbìnrin. gbogbo yín lẹ wá kó tó lè máa sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn fún ẹ. She trusted you. wọ́n ní àwọn àtẹ̀yìn wọn máa ń jà. Wunmi can feel a way about Queen Mother, but she needed somebody to confide in. She was not saying it because she oh my God. Ọlọ́run má má jẹ́ kéèyàn sáàbù sáyé lọ́wọ́. I don't know how you people keep relationship and friendship. I cannot. Tó bá gbé voice note èèyàn síta, mi ò lè bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ́. That is it. You don't even have to release that voice note because kì í ṣe pé wọ́n drag ẹ. You just want to scatter everywhere. That is one thing you're doing. Kì í ṣe pé o need it for anything. Kì í ṣe pé o máa prove we're wrong. But you just want to destroy everything. Àwọn tó ń dá ń jọ sí gbogbo nǹkan táwọn àti Wunmi jọ sọ ló máa gbé jáde. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ tún ti gbé jáde. Ṣé wọ́n sàsì gbogbo yín ni? Tígbà tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé ẹ lè nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọdé ìdọ́kàn. Kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ lọ bá ẹ bá ti fi ilẹ̀? Ẹ mọ̀ pé Ọmọwùmí need assistant. Gbogbo yín lẹ́dẹ̀ jáde. Ọmọwùmí, we are behind you. Don't worry. Ẹ jọ nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe báwo ló ṣe? Ṣé kò wọ́ọ̀sì ju àwọn tó ń ṣe justice for Mohbad tó ń ké pè fún Wùmí lójoojúmọ́? Torí ẹ̀yin gangan ni betrayal. Ẹ̀yin gangan ni betrayal. Ọmọ yẹn trust yín. Ṣé o máa sọ pé nǹkan ẹyọ kan tẹ́ ẹ jọ sọ nìyẹn ni? Ẹ ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa náà. Kó tó di pé ó tún trust ẹ, ó gbérú ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lé ẹ lọ́wọ́. Ṣé rí ibi tó wá ṣẹ̀ sí? Ìtẹ́ṣẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ àbòsí ló pa ìwọ Wùmí àti Tẹ́mi papọ̀. Àbòsí ló pa yín pọ̀. Ṣé wá rí ibi tó ṣẹ̀ sí tó ti dùn mí ní ti ọ̀rọ̀ Queen Mother? Ọmọ lọ́mọ bọ́kọ̀ ìṣerí ló ṣe ń ṣe. Bọ̀ kò sígbà yẹn náà ibi iná máa fi ń sùn. Bọ́kọ̀ ẹ̀ ṣe rí ní Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ rí pé Queen Mother ó ṣojú ó ṣẹ̀yìn Mohbad dáadáa. Bọ́kọ̀ ẹ̀ ṣe rí gbogbo nǹkan tí Queen Mother ń go through lénìí pé àwọn very dark man drag ẹ̀ táwọn kìíní drag ẹ̀ torí Ọmọwùmí dẹ̀ ni o. Tó máa sọ pé omi ló máa ṣẹja jiná. Gbogbo dragging tí Queen Mother ń jẹ lénìí ṣebí protection of Ọmọwùmí àti baby ẹ̀ ni. Mohbad ti kú náà. She went far and wide looking for justice for Mohbad. Wọ́n máa délé onípòsí. Ìyábọ̀ wá dé black bonnet tó ń jà kiri lórí social media. Bring Naira Marley back. Àbúrò lè pa á lọ́mọ jẹ́. She was being ridiculed by VDM. Ọlọ́run. Àkàndá lọmọbìnrin yẹn. Àkàndá èèyàn kan ni. And look at me, if you don't even think about anything, think about how Queen Mother are being dragged. Ṣé o rántí gbà tí Naira Marley sọ pé Èkó bọ̀ máa bọ̀ nílé pé she is scared. They were spreading it on Twitter that she cannot come home nígbà tí Priscilla àti bíbí. Wọ́n borúkọ Queen Mother jẹ́ up to today. Torí tiẹ̀ àti ti family ẹ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan tí Queen Mother ń ṣe fún ẹ, ìyá ẹ̀ gan ò lè ṣe bó ṣe dúró tiẹ̀. Queen Mother gbé láìfù tiẹ̀ lẹ̀, ó gbé tiẹ̀ sórí. Ọlọ́run ló yọ ọ́ bá ṣẹ̀wọ̀n lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀. Torí àwọn Naira Marley ready àti send ẹ̀ lọ sẹ́wọ̀n. Torí ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbésí ayé ìwà àti Mohbad. Wọ́n máa sọ pé omi ló máa ṣẹja jiná. Ó ní Wùmí, èmi ò ní jókòó láti drag ẹ because you are going through a lot already. Wọ́n tá bá ń sunkún àwọn wa ríran. And to you, Queen Mother, tí bá sọ pé Ọlọ́run, tí bá sọ pé kẹ́ má bínú, Ọlọ́run, mi ò rò pé ẹ lè gbọ́. I don't know, in my heart I don't feel like pé ẹ lè gbọ́. But at the same time ẹ jèbùrẹ́ tí mo dẹ̀ ń sọ ní pé see Queen Mother, ẹ jẹ́ àdá gbogbo ẹ̀rù. Stay away from all these women. Stay away from this lady because this is it. Mo kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ pọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ ilé like cover ẹ̀ up pé kí Queen Mother kan jọ kan fosùn kan fi para but mo tún wá wò pé tó bá jẹ́ pé èmi ni this is becoming unbecoming. This is becoming unbecoming of you. Ẹ̀yin ẹ mọrú position tí Queen Mother wà. This is not the time for you to be releasing anything anybody say about her, anything you know about her. Bó ṣe bọ́ Queen Mother jẹ́, you don't have to say anything. In fact, if you say that you have that voice note, if you feel like Queen Mother needs to know, send it to her directly. Don't release it to public. Queen Mother, stay away from àwọn olórí burúkú ni wọ́n. I used to tell you, the love I have for Queen Mother, I don't need her to come and talk to me. I love her from afar. Let her do her celebrity things. I will support from behind the camera. Let her do her celebrity things. I'm supporting behind the camera. Kì í ṣe ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú tẹ́ máa sọ pé ẹ láìkẹ́ Queen Mother, you know her, she's talking to you, and at the end of the day you'll be releasing things you're not supposed to be releasing. It doesn't make sense. You know she's going through a lot. You know that. But she's just a person that she's strong. She doesn't let things like this bother her. Because ó wá jẹ́ pé ẹlòmí tó bá jẹ́ èmi ni màá ti dàrú fún gbogbo yín abẹ́ ìyá wèrè ni. I will not be able to take it. It's too much. Kí ló dé ṣe fẹ́ pa ni? It's too much. That woman will mask everything with a smile and, I went to Mori Queen Mother ní mi ò ní sọ fún yín. I saw her at a cinema. I won't even tell you the cinema. I was there. I don't even come close. She didn't even know me. Mo kàn wá ń bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni mo dẹ̀ wo fíìmù. She was there. I don't need her to know me to prove a point. She should do her thing, I go do my thing. That is what they call support. But ẹ̀yin tó bá ti súnmọ́ yín, ṣé a máa sọ pé nǹkan tí mo mọ̀ sọ ó right ni? Pé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí Queen Mother tó kó mọ́ra yìí, most of you don't understand that she's a celebrity. Kì í ṣe celebrity, you are just a TikTok famous or one hit wonder lórí TikTok ni. Tí o bá ṣe pé Mohbad kú, orúkọ most of you gan kò sẹ́nibody tó máa gbọ́. If you love somebody, mo mọ̀ pé bí mo ṣe wà yìí mo mọ̀ pé mi ò fẹ́ kí mo ṣe yóò pé no, don't let me near this woman, don't let me near her. Jẹ́ kó ṣe ti ẹ̀ àfà, I will support her from my own end. Gaskia, I took my whole family, yes, to watch the movie Return of Arinzo. Mi ò sọ àfi bí mo ṣe ń sọ ọ́sìn. And I will not talk about it. I was seeing her like this. I did not even go close to her. I just took my family, we all watched the movie, and we left. A lot of people were there. And me, what bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n wá fans, àwọn notice me pọ̀ dáadáa, but I don't need that. I will support you from behind the scene. You need validation. That is what they call true love. If you love somebody genuinely, you do it behind the scene. That is the way you're going sorrow Queen Mother fún ẹ. Ó yẹ kó dànù bí omi ò ṣanwó ni now. In fact, go yẹ kó shut Wunmi down. Wá sọ fún Wunmi pé láyéláyé ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn mọ́. Tó bá tẹ̀ lè fún reason wá ní tẹ́lómi bá lọ gbọ́rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn sìn tó bá lọ ṣàì sí recording nǹkan. Ó mọ̀ kó máa create problem. Bí Queen Mother ṣe dúró ti Wunmi, ta ló lè dúró? Gbọ́ nǹkan tí ìyá Mohbad sọ ni. Ìyá Mohbad ń sọ fún wa pé ọmọbìnrin yìí òun máa dúró tì. Ìyá Mohbad dà lẹ́nu. Gbogbo nǹkan tí Wunmi ń go through ta ló fún ní strong kinní tó fi lè pull out of that. If it's not Queen Mother tó ń wò báyìí tí Queen Mother sọ fún pé má worry sẹ́, I dey behind you. Ọmọbìnrin yẹn Queen Mother nìyẹn, she will stand behind you. Ọmọ Wunmi lè má ti jáde kúrò ní gbogbo nǹkan tó wà yẹn náà. Ẹ̀yin náà lẹ máa kọ́rọ̀ sí lórí o. Ẹ̀yin náà lẹ máa kọ́rọ̀ sí lórí. Ẹ̀yin náà lẹ máa kọ́rọ̀ sí lórí. Iyabo is one of a kind. because mi ò ní sùúrù mi ní sùúrù Ọlọ́run, mi ò ní sùúrù, màá ti fáṣí gbogbo yín. She should fáṣí all of you níbi tó dé yìí sí kó lórí dorí ẹ̀ mọ́. She should fáṣí all of you. All of you. I don't care. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sọ́mọbìnrin yẹn, gbogbo àwọn ọ̀tá àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀tọ́ ń gbé ṣépè torí pé kí ni ìjà èèyàn náà ló ń gbé. Ìjà èèyàn láti ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà, ọ̀rọ̀ Fọlá, ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad. Ṣé fámílì ẹ̀ ó súnmọ́ fámílì yìí ni? Ìjà èèyàn náà ló ń gbé náà. And if you cannot use your sense, pé there's a lot on this woman's plate. Ṣé ẹ̀rọ gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ yẹn kò affect ẹ̀ ni? She's just human. She's very strong, and here you go again, bringing things you are not supposed to bring up because nǹkan tó gbé jáde yẹn ti báyìí kí ni ká fi ṣe? You are just setting out up for dragging as much as all these other people. Kí ni ká fi ṣe? What should we do with it? It's unfair, tẹ́ bá rí yàn bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. It's really, really unfair. Ọlọ́run ẹ lè sọ̀yàn lẹ́nu. Ẹ lè sọ tó bá sọ pé kì í ṣe show yìí, máa bójú anybody jẹ́. Ọlọ́run ago. Oníkálukú respect ara ẹ o. Ẹ respect ara yín o. Ó ti di celebrity mélòó ló farms yín. Kan náà tó fi máa ń sá fún yín náà nìyẹn. Tọ́tọ́tọ́ yín ti pọ̀ jù. Respect yourself o. Ẹ̀yin tá a já fi ń bọ́mọ ìṣeré ló fi ń gé jẹ o. If you know that you don't like something about Queen Mother, give her the dignity of calling her and telling her that Queen Mother got a share. To bá jẹ́ mi mo ṣe máa sọ ni, I will not go and be rojọ́ for anybody. Mi ò ní ṣe yẹn, mi ráyè. Máa gbé ẹ pé nǹkan tó ṣe mi láìkẹ́. Adẹjọ́ máa hire on out. Gaskiya. Bó tó wá ti ń di pé kó lọ máa gbé ẹjọ́ ẹni yẹn fẹ́ lómi. Kí ló dé tó lè confront ẹni yẹn kó sọ fún? Okay, Queen Mother nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe o, ẹ ti ṣe ó ti tó. Mi ò fẹ́ ní ẹni tí ṣe pọ̀ pẹ̀lú yín mọ́, ẹ máa lọ ló bá tán. Àbí Queen Mother kan tẹ́ ṣe ìyá mi ò láìkẹ́ kò lẹ́yìn kẹ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn sí mi ò I expect more from you. She will explain herself, you go apologize ló bá tán. Must you go and be doing chọ́chọ́chọ́ orí burúkú káàkiri ni? Ẹ wo ó lè lọ switch o. Àwọn ìta ò lè máa ṣe tiwọn fún Queen Mother. Kẹ́yìn kẹ́ tún parọ́ pé lọ́ba ní kẹ́ tún máa ṣe tiyín fún Queen Mother. It's unfair now. How much more can she take? She's trying now. Àwọn ìta máa ṣe tí wọ́n lọ́sàn lóru. Ẹ̀yin wèrè yín náà tún máa pé tí yín ṣe fẹ́ pọ̀ ọmọbìnrin yín ni. Tó bá dé support yín, àwọn support yín, you did not see anybody. Náà tó gbé ọ̀rọ̀ ilé ayé ẹ̀ tó gbé sórí, tó fi ẹ́ ṣe fíìmù gan, wọ́n drag ẹ̀ pé it is well, kò sí wàhálà. Ṣáà gbogbo ń ṣàárín bẹ́yìn àbí? Tó tá bá dé sí ẹ máa sọ pé lẹ́yà tí mo like wàhálà because it's becoming unbecoming. This is why I'm a crazy person. Èmi ò ń gbàyàn láyé because tó ọ̀rọ̀ orí burúkú tẹ máa ṣe náà ni. This is why I'm crazy by myself. Kó tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ́n rọ̀dọ̀ máa kó fún yẹ. If you need her help, you go run, she go come, she go help una. Ẹ máa rojọ́ ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn. Ẹ fún ní respect yẹn kẹ́ lọ pé kẹ́ confront ẹ ojúkorojú báyìí ni. Don't be talking about her to other people, bad-mouthing her. It's unfair. At the end of the day, àwọn wèrè tẹ́jọ́ ń bad-mouth ẹ̀ wọ́n máa record yín wọ́n tún máa gbé síta. Does it make any sense? Just going from fry pan to fire. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn bá ìyàwó àti tí ò kì í sún ọdún yẹn, ó máa gbé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn sí báyìí. Ó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí analyze ẹ̀ lẹ́yọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Kò sí wàhálà.